Do you ever feel itchy after taking a shower, or when you're out of the shower, your body is all white? It means that you've actually overwashed your skin or you stayed so long in water. And to solve that whiteness or that itchiness, you need something moisturizing to balance your skin out. And that's where the CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion comes in. This lotion is said to be formulated with 3 ceramides as usual, MVE delivery technology. This is just to help you with the long-lasting hydration, and hydro-urea. Basically, CeraVe is saying that this lotion is going to intensely hydrate extra dry skin and help restore and strengthen the skin barrier without any form of greasiness or stickiness. Also, it claims to help relieve and defend the skin against itchiness, tightness, roughness, flakiness, or scaliness, and redness or discoloration. Somehow we face this on different parts of our bodies. This lotion is only available in the US and it comes in 2 sizes. This is the 8 ounce and there's a 16 ounce, which is double the size of this. This size retails for $18 and the bigger size is $23. Please don't be like me and buy the small size. I'm testing this out and I want to run through it quickly. If you want to get the bigger size or any of the sizes you choose to get, I'll put the links in the description box so you can get your hands on them real quick. So who can use this lotion? According to CeraVe, all skin types, all skin tones can use this as far as you are 13 plus of age. So this is a first impression video. I have never used this product before. I'm going to do a hand swatch right now so we can both see what this product looks like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, now is a perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button. Also turn post notification so you don't miss out on future uploads. Okay, this is what the product looks like. It is white in color. I'm going to use my fingers to blend this in. This is what I have. This is just like the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Now I want to see what is so different about this one, because I know most of you will ask. And let me know if you'd like me to compare this with the original, I'm saying original, like with the moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. Definitely has a scent that the moisturizing lotion does not have, in my opinion, and it feels nice on the skin. So here has the moisturizer applied and here doesn't. So with moisturizer and without moisturizer, there's a noticeable difference. Before I sat down here to record this video, I sent CeraVe a message to confirm if this can be applied on the face. I also went on their website to check if it can. So there's some areas where you see them mention face and there's some areas where you see them mention body. Because I am someone who uses the moisturizing lotion on my body and face, I will use this product on my face as well. I look forward to them replying my message and I'll leave it in the comment section with their exact reply. But for now, I will use this on my face. You don't have to. So I'm going to do a face application for you guys to see. Right now, the only product on my face is just a toner. I'm going to just take few pumps and apply on one side so we can see my face side by side. You can go in with whatever amount you desire when you're using a moisturizer. I feel like this is okay for just one side of my face. First impressions, this is itching my skin. I don't think I've ever experienced itchiness with any of CeraVe's moisturizer. It's just itchy around this area and my eye. Oh, I think it's just spreading. It's not burning, but it's itching. I just thought to put that out there. I'll let you guys know if this stops. I'll come forward now so you can see my face side by side. I don't know if you guys can already see a difference between here that I applied the product and here that doesn't have the product. With the moisturizer, and without the moisturizer. With moisturizer, and without moisturizer. And it's so lightweight. Aside from the itchiness, I can't really tell I have a product on my face. However, you see that your palms will be shiny after application. This is something that is very different from the moisturizing lotion itself. Okay, so I'm just going to take few pumps. I think this is fine. This is the amount I'm using. And I'm just going to apply it like so. Just so we can see the difference this gives the skin. This is definitely giving me that mixture of oil and lotion. That's the vibe I get. Here's what my skin looks like. And here's what the other one looks like. I feel like there is a clear difference. You can definitely still see the sheen around this area. So I want to give this 15 minutes to sink into my skin. I will be back to show you guys what I have. I basically want to see if this is going to change. Like, will this dry down to become this? Do you get what I mean? Guys, I am back and here's what my skin looks like with the moisturizer and without the moisturizer. You can definitely see that the sheen is still there after 15 minutes of waiting. I feel like this will still stay for longer, but I will, update you guys because I'm going to be using this tonight. And I'll let you guys know if when I wake up in the morning, if my skin still looks like this. So look out for the comment section for my updates. This moisturizer is lightweight, not too thick, not as thick as the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. A little lighter than the lotion in my opinion, especially when you're spreading it on your skin. In terms of the finish on the skin, it definitely gives you a nice sheen, but it's not greasy or sticky, doesn't move around whatsoever. In terms of fragrance, this is fragrance free, but it has a scent to it in the sense that it smells like urea. I say this because most products that I've used that contains urea has this same smell, hence why I'm saying that it has that urea scent. It's not something you like overly perceive. It is not strong at all. Right now, the stinging on the face has stopped. Also, when I applied it on this area, I didn't notice any stinging. So let's see. I'll try it out again and let you guys know if it stings my face or my body after showering. Overall, this is one body lotion you should have in your routine. I actually now regret, buying this size. So I quickly want to show you guys what my face looks like in natural light because it's only fair that you should see the difference between here that has the product and here with product. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this helps you decide on if this is something you want in your routine. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video to help the algorithm push this video, subscribe down below right here, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.